I'm here with my Aroma Whatever Pot and some leftover cooked vegetables. I'm making cream of leftover vegetable soup.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
It is a dark and cold rainy day, so it's the perfect day to make some soup. And I'm using my Aroma Whatever Pot. I am going to put it on medium heat and heat this up. And I am going to be using a bunch of leftover vegetables. So what I have here is some steamed broccoli, a few potatoes, and some steamed carrots. I've just cut everything up into smaller pieces. I probably have about 2 cups of cooked vegetables here that I'm going to be using. The first thing I'm doing is melting about a tablespoon of butter in this whatever pot. Melted butter goes really good with vegetables. I'm just going to move this around a little bit. I'll probably lower the heat a little bit. I don't want the butter to brown too much. Now I'm going to add some flour to this. I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of just regular flour. I've been making this a lot with freshly milled flour, but that comes out a little bit darker because it looks like whole wheat flour. But I'm going to use regular flour for this video. I'm just mixing that up with the butter. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. And what the butter and the flour is going to do is it's going to help thicken up the soup. With this pot, the center of the pot is raised a little bit higher than the edges of the pot. Okay, I don't want this to brown too much. So now I'm going to add some milk to this. I just added about a half a cup of milk. I'm not using much milk in this at all. And I just want to stir this around so that the flour and the butter and the milk combine. It would be a good idea to use a whisk for this. And I should have took the whisk out first, but I'm going to turn the heat down lower. I don't know if you could see it, but this has already gotten nice and thick. Like, this is super thick already. So now I'm adding my vegetables. And let's mix those in. And now let's add in some water. And I did not measure the water. I should have probably, but let's say that was about, maybe there's like 2 cups of water in here. Now let's turn the heat back up to medium because we want to bring this back up to a boil. And I'm going to add a little bit more water. Because with this whatever pot, it is a fairly wide pot and there is a lot of evaporation. So I always want to add a little bit more liquid than I actually want. While this is coming up to a boil, I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I'm going to add some green onions. These are just some frozen scallions. Let's stir it all together. And bring this up to a boil. The soup has come back up to a boil and I'm going to add some pasta to it. I have these little pasta stars. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to let these cook in here because I don't have any crackers in the house. I don't have any bread in the house, which would be great with this soup. So I figured let me add some of this little tiny pasta. That should cook nicely in there. So I'm going to lower the heat and let this simmer for another, I don't know, like 5 minutes or so. This has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. It's definitely gotten a little bit thicker. That's fine. I'm going to taste this now. Some of the pasta has stuck to the bottom, like a little bit. Okay, that's really good. I'm turning the heat down. I'm going to say that's done. It needs some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to give it another try. I feel like I want it to be just a little bit sweet, so I'm going to just add a little tiny bit of honey. Maybe that was like a teaspoon of honey. Now I'm going to taste it again. Really good. It just needs a little bit more salt. And I like to add just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just a tiny pinch. I'm going to taste it again. That's done. Here's my cream of vegetable soup. And it's nice and thick. It looks really good. Let's give it a proper taste now. That's excellent. This would also be good with some grated cheese on top. I have some Parmigiano Reggiano that I bought yesterday. So let's just grate this on top. That looks really good. Now let's give it a try. Yeah, that adds some nice flavor to it. That is really good. So I am going to be enjoying this for my lunch today. Do you see how easy it is to make any kind of cream of vegetable soup? And it's also so much cheaper than buying it in a can. All we needed was a little butter, a little flour, a little milk, some water, some vegetables. And then today I added some pasta and then some seasonings. And this is just so much more delicious and healthier than any kind of soup that you can buy in a can. And making it was nearly just as fast as heating up a can of soup. So that's how easy it is to make some cream of vegetable soup in this Aroma Whatever pot. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this small appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.